Hi, everybody. So I have decided to make this screencast in order to help those of you out that are confused on this assignment or need further clarification in addition to whoever maybe you were absent. The two assignments are for you to create SMART C goals and to create a 1-week fitness plan in order to achieve your SMART goals that you've set out for yourself. Let's start with the SMART C goals assignment. You are going to be creating 6 goals, and your first page of this assignment is background information on what a SMART C goal is. You don't need to fill out anything on page 1. It is for reading only. And the bottom of the page is an example of the goal I've set out for myself on the pacer. You can see that in red down there. Reading through page 1 to summarize, you will write 6 SMART goals, 1 for pacer, mile, push-ups, curl-ups, and sit and reach and trunk lift. The SMART C goal criteria is specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, time frame, and challenging. On the bottom of the page is the exact language that you can copy and paste for all the goals and edit in the sentence to match the type of test, the correct measurement, and the units, which is the laps, inches, minutes, seconds. Make sure you write with full and complete sentences if you are not going to copy and paste the sentence. The last day of this semester is December 20th if you want to edit that to meet the criteria. Cardiovascular endurance is on the second page. This is where you start. So all these empty boxes is what you're filling out. So you're going to look at your fitness card and write down your first pacer you got, your first mile you got, then move into push-ups, curl-ups, sit and reach, and trunk lift. After you've gotten through there, you're going to begin the next assignment. You copy and paste that other sentence and rewrite it. So moving into the second assignment for the 1-week fitness plan, don't just go straight into here. Start with the visual for the FIT principle, which is right here: frequency, intensity, time, and type. So let's see if we can make it bigger. All right, so in the frequency, we're going to be doing our exercises 3 days of the week, and I want you to focus on that. Weight training is abbreviated on the assignment as WT, and we're going to combine muscular strength and endurance to just be weight training. So we're going to begin the assignment after you read through this, and questions 1 through 3 is where we'll start. So you will have 3 days on this table down below. You'll have 3 days filled out of cardio, weight training, and flexibility. You can do all 3 on the same day and do 4 days of rest, or you can spread them out throughout the week. You can decide on that. So what are some of the different types of cardio activities that you'd realistically do on a regular basis? You can look at that FIT principle, and it tells you what those different activities are that are cardiovascular. So if you want to do running, swimming, cross-country skiing, biking, jump roping, hiking, those are just some examples. But anything that gets your heart rate into the 60 to 90% target heart rate zone are considered cardio. So fill out at least 3 days and include the duration of time that you'll be doing it. So if you do soccer practice, you could put soccer practice for 60 minutes. Okay. That's just one example. You could be going to 24-hour fitness, go to the spin class. That's just what I do on Mondays for 60 minutes. Everybody's is going to be different. Some of you are probably not really into the gym, and you might just go for a run outside for 20 minutes or run for 10 minutes. Okay? Whatever you think you would be doing, that's where you're going to start. when you get to question 2, what are some different types of exercises you would do to build muscular strength and endurance? You can look at this bank of exercises: push-ups, burpees, squats, curl-ups, sit-ups, mountain climbers, plank holds, lunges, seated Russian twist, Superman lift, plank jacks, overhead side bend, single leg squat, sumo squat, donkey kick. If you have hand weights, you can try these ones out: the bicep curls, upright row, tricep kickback, tricep lift, overhead shoulder press, bent over reverse fly. If you have no idea what any of those are, you can Google them. It's very easy to follow along a workout routine that they provide like images for. Okay, and the third question is, what types of flexibility training will you be willing to try regularly? Some of you guys are not stretching on a regular basis unless it's built into your soccer practice or something like that. So willing to try regularly is the key word there. Are you willing to try yoga? Yes or no? Some of you guys, yes. Some of you guys, definitely not. If you're willing to do some static stretches, like holding the quad stretch regularly, or hamstring stretch, especially if your sit and reach is not in the healthy fitness zone, that would be a good one. Okay, so these are brainstorming questions. 1, 2, and 3 is to help you brainstorm. This table right here is something that you can essentially print out and post up on your wall so you know what day of the week you're planning to do something. If you need to change it around, it's very flexible. You can do it however you need, whatever you need. If you're doing this the week of Thanksgiving, maybe you're super busy on Thanksgiving Day, or maybe you're just busy in the afternoon and you can still do your workout in the morning. That's up to you. So weight training days, workout 1, 2, and 3. When you get to the WT section of this table, this WT is short for weight training. And you will fill out if you're doing weight training on this one, number 1, number 2, number 3, for example. And then workout 1 is going to be what that whole WT1 would be. Okay. And then you're going to fill out what kind of exercises you're doing. Are you doing push-ups, burpees, curl-ups, mountain climbers? What are you going to be doing that day? So you put in your sets. Remember, when we do squats in class, we do 2 sets of 10 repetitions, for example. Some of you might want to try and do 1 set of 100 push-ups. Probably not. There's not that many people that can do that. But you could, if you were determined to do 100 push-ups, you could do 5 sets of 20 push-ups, or 4 sets of 25 push-ups, for example. That's just some different ways to do it. Different type of exercise for this one. If you want to focus on upper body, you can do 2 different types of upper body. Workout 2, you can focus on legs. Workout 3, you can focus on abs. That's kind of up to you how you want to do it. You can switch it up. You can do arms and abs, legs and abs, arms and abs, whatever you want to do. But yeah, that's what you would do for this assignment. You turn it in when you're done with it. Contact me if you have any further questions. If you don't have your fitness card, make your best guess. Don't leave anything blank just because you don't, you take an educated guess of what you think you need to go improve in, okay? And yeah, that's all for now.